Could your investments work for you, automatically, earning you passive income while you sleep? That's the power of dividend investing combined with the automation of M1 Finance's pies. The problem with traditional investing. For many, building a dividend portfolio is a chore. You have to research stocks, calculate target allocations, manually buy shares, and then constantly rebalance as market prices shift. It's a headache that takes time and often leads to emotional mistakes. You end up chasing winners and selling losers, undermining your long-term wealth goals. The M1 Dividend Pie Solution. Enter M1 Finance and its revolutionary pie structure. Think of your portfolio as a pizza pie, and each holding, a stock or ETF, is a slice. Our case study is built around a hypothetical global dividend growth pie, designed for long-term investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. We've selected about 20 high-quality stocks and ETFs that have a history of increasing their dividends, not just paying them. Critically, we assign a target percentage to each holding, say, 5% to a blue-chip tech company, 3% to a utility ETF, and so on. The automation advantage. This is where the M1 magic happens. Once you set your target allocations, M1 takes over. First, Auto Invest ensures every deposit you make is instantly and intelligently allocated. If your blue-chip tech stock has performed well and is now 5.5% of your pie, M1 automatically directs new money to the underperforming or underweight slices, like that utility ETF at 2.8%, until everything is back near your target. It's dynamic rebalancing without you lifting a finger or triggering taxable events by selling. Second, the dividends themselves are put to work. You can choose to have M1 automatically reinvest your dividend payments back into your pie. This is compounding automation at its finest. Instead of letting that cash sit idle, it buys fractional shares across your pie, further pushing your portfolio toward its target allocations and turbocharging your wealth snowball. The long-term impact, a case study snapshot. Imagine starting with $10,000 and contributing $500 monthly to this dividend pie. Over 5 years, that's $40,000 in contributions. Without the M1 pie, you might drift from your target allocations, miss a few dividend reinvestments, and end up with decent but suboptimal returns. But with the M1 Dividend Pie, the constant rebalancing and automated dividend reinvestment keeps your strategy pure. Your money consistently flows to what's relatively cheap, ensuring you are always buying low. The result? You capture more shares, your dividend income grows faster, and the compounding effect is maximized. A portfolio that might have grown to $55,000 manually could easily hit $60,000 or more with M1 strategic automation, all for zero commission fees. It's not just about picking good stocks, it's about adhering to a smart, disciplined strategy for the long run. The M1 Dividend Pie is your personal, automated portfolio manager, ensuring you stay the course to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.